So guys, our next topic is OR gate, that is our second gate. The main purpose of this gate used in alarm systems. I previously said each gate has a main purpose. So now today let's see how OR gate works. First we make a truth table of this gate. Now let's suppose we have two variables A and B. The symbol used for OR gate is plus. Plus means OR. OR gate working like, now each variable has four values 0, 0, 1, 1. You can also replace these values with false and true. Now as you can see, we have four values of two variables. OR gate working says if each variable at least one variable has one value, then answer will be 1. It is not compulsory that both variables have one value. So now we apply OR gate on both values 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, because at least one variable has one value. Now here A has 1 and B has 0, so answer is 1. And now as you can see, A variable has one value and also B has one value. Now the answer will be 1. So this is our truth table. Now we make a logic circuit of OR gate. So for this purpose we can go to website, that is Circuitverse. Here is our tool. Now we can see that here are some logic gates, and this one is OR gate. Now we drag and drop. So now we can take this OR gate from here. Now we require one input and one output. For output we use this digital LED and we place here. And now we can take two input values, or you can say two buttons that can be OR, on and off. So here are we require three things for this circuit. Now we connect points. As you can see, there are 2 points here, OR gate. And now we this. Now we connect OR gate point with LED. As you can see, our circuit is ready. Now we can check this is work or not. You can see both values are 0. LED off. If we press one button, then LED on. Red means LED is on. If we have both one values, then LED also has on. As you can see, we here see that at least one variable has one value. So the condition is true. If one value will be on, then LED on. On the basis, if both values are 0, then the LED off. And the main purpose of this OR circuit is used in alarm systems. Trigger if sensors A or sensor B fires. Fallback logic and combining interpret signals. Thank you for watching.